Welcome to another series brought to you by the team here at Crypto Block School. In this series, Cryptocurrency for Beginners, you will learn step-by-step how to safely purchase your first cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And from there, you will then learn to transfer your cryptocurrency to other exchanges like Binance, where you can then trade for any number of cryptocurrencies or altcoins. And in the final chapters of this training series, you will learn about security and safety as you learn about different wallets where you can access and store all of your digital assets. So if you or somebody you love is completely new to cryptocurrency, you owe it to yourself to learn how to do things the safe way before you start investing. Our goal here at the Crypto Block School is to empower our students with essential knowledge about the cryptocurrency space. We have a lot of exciting things to cover, so let's jump right in and learn how to purchase, trade, and secure cryptocurrency.